You want to streamline your business finances, but are you tired of the juggling act? Do you wish there was a simpler way to manage multiple checking accounts without all the hassle? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add multiple checking accounts in Relay so you can get a crystal clear view of your cash flow in one central place. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Relay dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Accounts tab on the left-hand side and click on it. This is where you'll see an overview of all your existing accounts. To add a new one, you're going to click the Open an Account button. Relay makes this super straightforward. Now, you'll be prompted to select the type of account you want to open. You can choose between a checking or a savings account. For our purpose today, we're sticking with checking. Give your new account a unique and descriptive name. Something like payroll or operating expenses works great. This helps you easily identify what each account is for at a glance. You'll also be able to set a purpose for the account, which further helps with organization and tracking. After you've named your account, Relay will ask you to confirm a few details. Once you've done that, the new account is created and you'll see it instantly appear on your accounts list. It's really that simple. You can repeat this process as many times as you need, creating separate accounts for different functions like taxes, marketing, or even future investments. This is the key to mastering the profit first method or any other cash flow management strategy. And that's it. By adding these multiple accounts, you've set up a powerful system that provides clarity and control over your business finances. No more guessing games. No more messy spreadsheets. Just a clean, organized, and efficient way to manage your money all within Relay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.